Hi and welcome to Trackplan. In this video I will discuss our resource app and how it can help your internal maintenance staff or external contractors manage their jobs. Permission to access the app can be given within the resource module in the main application. It is highly configurable where certain features and functions can be turned on and off. The resource app is a web-based app, so you access it using a URL in the web browser. Once opened for the first time on any Android or Apple device, you will be prompted to add it to your home screen. It will then become an app icon on your device. The app also works offline and will sync all data when back in Signal. Clicking on the menu button in the top left-hand corner will reveal all modules the resource has available to them, including the calendar, where they can view by day, by week or month all jobs instructed to them, the job task list, the asset list. They can edit and submit timesheets, create expenses, create quotes, a list of all sites, access to forms in the form library, and access to storage areas where they can adjust stock levels. Clicking on any job will bring them to the control center for that job where they can view all the details. Here we can see a QR code has been generated for this job. Scrolling down, we can see that a risk assessment form has been sent down. We can view and submit this now. The resource has the ability from the app to add a photo or view any photos that have been sent down from the main application. All of these photos can then be edited by the resource. They also have the option to add documents, add and submit quotes, add a cost, attach stock, select an asset, create an expense, or add a note. Here, the function has been enabled that this resource has to accept the task. They have to start their travel, they have to start the task, and then they will leave the task. Create a note, and supply a signature, and leave. All times and dates and GPS stamps have been recorded and will show in the main application. Back in the main jobs list, we can see that this job has now changed to completed. I hope this video was useful to you, and thank you for watching.